to On Holdings. All they've done is absolutely crush it. It's been an incredible company for a while. It's got heavy volume today. They came out with their earnings. That pushed them all the way up to 52-week highs. When you look at what's going on, they not only beat on the top, they beat on the bottom. Their earnings doubled. They went to 33 cents from last year, and actually they were compared to looking at a 14-cent. That was what they were expecting. So they crushed it there. You look at their revenue, their net sales up 21% year over year.
Yeah, this is a great example of very well thought out guidance, right? Going into earnings. But it's not just guidance. These guys knocked the cover off the ball, Pete. In an era of consumer discretionary spending declining here and in Europe, right? I talked about that on Clayman's show on Thursday of last week. Not just in the United States, but in Europe as well. Sneakers are one of those things. Unless your kicks have fallen apart, you can defer that purchase of the new hot Nikes or the brands that On Holdings sells. They are a Swiss sneaker maker, folks, for those of you that are not familiar with the stock. Nike, of course, doing well, being buoyed up, I think, about 1.5% when I looked before we went live on that news. And listen, it may be a pocket of resilience in declining consumer spending. People got to get their fresh kicks.
I agree with you, but I'll tell you what, I don't agree with the idea that Nike's coming along with them. They are, you're right, but I don't think that makes any sense to me. I think the competition is beating them up. And I think the more I look, when you go to a gym, I challenge you, look around the gym and tell me how many people are wearing Nikes, but how many people are in these clouds and all the rest of it. I mean, it is striking just how much of a dent that they've put into the big guy when it comes to Nike.